Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
You endangered my life a little.
How?
Watch your shit. You're endangering other people's life.
You slammed the brakes in front of me.
To the Rock Hill PD because you're endangering people's life.
How?
You got something to say? You better pull over, boy. Go ahead and
Why would I pull over?
You're not going to act like you're going to run up and down, run up on people's asses because you think you got a little.
I didn't. You slammed
car.
the brakes out of nowhere.
No, you come flying up on my butt, boy.
You're going viral. You're going viral, my guy.
Piece of shit.
You drive a Toyota. You're losing. I'm winning. I'm winning. Madison.
Using to get in the car, which you just said was a problem. They didn't listen to him. They should not have listened to him. They should have shoved him in the car, period.
No, miss your turn. Just go, miss your turn. Who cares? I'm sorry. Don't honk at me because you're an idiot.
Amazing because up until the current president, I wouldn't have thought that we would see we tend to be about the same socioeconomic status, and we tend to be more alike in this but this particular administration has multiple things going on, but we have some significant work to do within our congregation because we're not a family.
Media is too focused on what he calls Trump's wild comments.
Question was talking.
Stupid idiots.
Whoa, what the heck?
Oh wow, that car. I bet it's noisy as well with that roof rack on. Oh, jeez.
Oh my God.
What happened?
You got hit.
Oh, Jesus.
I think I just shit myself. Oh shit. That's vicious. Vicious.
stumbled upon a mystery. When her 3 adult sons underwent genetic testing to determine whether they were a match for kidney donation, the test showed that 2 of them weren't actually her sons. Even more confusing, she was her children's biological aunt. It turned out that Keegan had a second genome in some tissues, and a completely different set of genes from the others. This second set of genes belonged to her twin sister, who had never been born. This condition, where an
Really, bro? How's the shoulder, dog? Really? Really? Incorrect, my guy. Not the correct move, sir. Yeah. Let's see how this goes. Probably really smart and good, right? Oh, he's just going for it. Wow, precious.
Wi-Fi off.